Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Aura Labs TV backlight. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share your Aura Labs TV backlight. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Aura Labs app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Share, and then click on Add Sharing. Now select which device you want to go ahead and share. So we're going to select our TV backlight, then click on Next, then click on Add Account, and then this is where you could actually go ahead and share by email or share by user ID. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your Aura Labs TV backlight. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.